Hi, my name is Isabella Culver.
Hi. So what do you think will happen when the world eventually runs out of water?
Then we wouldn't be able to flush toilets. We wouldn't have water to drink, and we can only last 3 days without water.
Oh, so that's a big factor.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think will happen when we run out of electricity, which powers, lights and cars and gasoline and stuff like that?
Then we're gonna have to make new cars, new light bulbs, and we might have to go back to the old days.
So why do you think it's important to conserve energy now?
Because we're gonna run out soon, eventually. We're gonna need it someday in the future. The less we use, the better it is for the world.
That's great. Okay, thank you.
Bye.